Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My Islamic brothers and my Islamic sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Muhammad Saklan and welcome back to our Alham Network channel. Viewers, this channel is dedicated to Islamic videos and I'm honored to have you all join me inshallah. Before watching this video, viewers, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Dear viewers, today inshallah we will discuss about another beautiful story, Gardens of Nothing. Once upon a time, there was a man who owned two beautiful gardens. One garden had 12 dates palms and the other was full of grapes, wines, fruits. The man took a great care of his garden. He spent lots of time and taking care of his two gardens every single day and watered his garden trees from a nearby stream. He was very happy with his hard work and he loved showing off his gardens to his guests and told them about the different fruits that he grew. But day by day, the man became more proud and arrogant. He was very happy with his hard work and he loved showing off his garden to his guests and told them about the different fruits that he grew. But viewers, day by day, the man more proud and arrogant. He forgot that it was Allah who gave him these beautiful gardens. He thought that he only became successful because of his own hard work. So he was not grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at all. Viewers, the one day when he was walking by his gardens, suddenly he heard a voice reminding him that all of his wealth and success was a gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The man was shocked but ignored the voice, thinking it was nothing. But again the voice repeated and said the same thing, but he did not care. Soon after, a strong wind blew and started destroying everything in the man's garden. In just a short time, all of his success was completely gone and destroyed. All he had were gardens of nothing, and this made him extremely sad. And he realized that all of this happened because he became too proud and forget about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessings. He realized his mistakes and right away asked forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And he promised Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that from now he would do good things and be grateful to all of us. The man became a very good Muslim and started to follow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala laws and order using the money that he stole and left over from his garden. He used it to help others by buildings, a mosque and schools for the local community. And viewers, he spent the rest of his life teaching others why it is so important to be thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So viewers, here is our today video. I hope that you have liked today's video. May Allah gives us the ability to understand the religion of Islam and follow it. Thank you so much for your watching. Keep supporting and stay connected with us for more Islamic videos.